Hey guys, it's Rob and I'm here with Matt. Matt, welcome to my deck. Matt's an expert on stain with Olympic. So Matt, this is my front deck and we don't use it a whole lot. We like to sit on the bench every once in a while, but we're finding, even with the low traffic here, the front door gets really worn. And we're finding that every year we have to kind of restain that. And I can't figure out, if I have to restain that, do I have to strip my whole deck and do the whole thing, or can I do like a patch here and the rest is okay?
Well, Rob, first question I'm going to ask you is, how many coats did you put on?
I think this is about 3 coats.
So that's probably error number 1. All Olympic semi-transparents are one thin coat products only. So the moment you put a second coat over top of a first coat, you're trying to stick a water membrane on top of a water membrane. So that's going to cause it to delaminate.
So that's why it's peeling.
You got it. So what we like to do is we like to use a water bead test. So that's going to determine whether or not you can stain it all over top of what you have existing, or if you need to strip it all off. So you're going to take a regular water bottle, put some water in it, spray a treated area. If the water soaks into the wood, you're good to go. You can stain right over top of the existing surface, providing you clean it first and give it a little scuff sand. If the water beads up, that means the waterproofing properties are still present, so you're going to have to strip the deck with Olympic deck stripper, sand it with a 60 or an 80 grit, and then stain the whole surface again.